Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help walk you through the SLUMS test. So what is a SLUMS test? The St. Louis University Mental Status Test, or SLUMS test, is used to examine people who are suspected of having or experiencing symptoms of cognitive decline and/or dementia. Using the results, patients can identify areas of weakness and work to improve their perceptual abilities. This test comes in the form of an 11-item questionnaire, and it covers different facets of a person's cognition such as memory, attention, orientation, language, and spatial recognition. This is in addition to many others. The test is super easy to use and only takes around 10 to 15 minutes to complete. Do note that the SLUMS test is a screening tool. It is not meant to be used to diagnose people with cognitive decline or dementia. For that, you'll need to see a specific qualified healthcare professional. There are a variety of healthcare professionals who can use this test, including doctors and many more. How to use the SLUMS test effectively? The first step is to complete the essential information at the top. You'll then need to conduct all tests with the client, recording scores as you go. The final step is to consult the interpretations to integrate within the treatment plan. To view a sample assessment of the SLUMS test, feel free to visit carepatron.com where you can access and download the test for free. You can also access it through our platform, filter by community and by assessment. You can type in the keywords to find the note faster, or you can edit however you wish. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos.